Hi, welcome to Ronan and Beyond. So we are here at Yabu SM Mall of Asia. It's Tuesday around 6 p.m. Medyo walang tao unlike last week. Ang haba ng pila, around 30 minutes to 1 hour yung waiting time namin to get here. We will try this thing called Yabu Ritual kung saan trending yung mga videos na nakita namin at nagpapunta sa amin dito. So first, this white and black sesame seed na nakita ninyo, dinudurog namin kanina using their own mortar and pestle na parang trunk ng puno, which is aesthetic and cute. And then second is ilalagay nyo yung katsu sauce. Every table may mga katsu sauce dito. So siguro para mapuno itong nasa video or nasa lagay nila ng mortar, around 3 scoops yung ginawa ko dito. Second is you have to mix both katsu and the black and white grinded sesame seeds para maging sauce for the katsu.